Peugeot 208, 2020 to 2024, service light reset in 4 easy steps. 1. First, press and hold the button from the wiper's arm. 2. Turn the ignition on while you keep holding the button. 3. Keep holding the button until the countdown is getting from 10 to 1 and you'll see the reinitialization done or reinitialization performed. 4. Release the button and turn the ignition off. The sequence has to be done within a matter of seconds, otherwise you will not succeed. To check if the service light reset was done, turn the ignition on and check if the service light is off. If it doesn't work like that, use the other button from the signal's arm from the left side of the steering wheel. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.